Hey, Coach.
Hey.
I got a question.
Talk to me.
I have a problem. My wife doesn't drink any water. She says she's a camel, and I know she needs the water.
Absolutely.
How do I trick her to drink it?
Listen, there's so many good ways. You can add fruit to it, like some strawberries with some mint leaves. You can do some lemon in there. There's like these like little, what do they call them? Like the little meals to like drop a couple of drops into the water to make it a little bit flavored. You know.
What about the amount of water?
So they say that you should do at least half of your body weight in ounces, but a good guideline is just like 8 bottles of water. They're like 16 ounces each. That's considered like a gallon.
So a gallon of water a day?
A gallon of water is what's recommended.
Yeah, if I showed her the gallon of water and said, you have to drink this today, she'll say, no way.
Yeah, no, I think it's better. I think for the mind, it's better to see the bottles maybe and just show her like the 8 little bottles, and then maybe make it like a little, I don't know, a little game, like tally mark, like how many bottles did you drink, or like text each other throughout the day, set a little timer. There's apps these days that remind you how to, like, have you drank your water today? Even the watch will do like, have you drank your water? So there's so many different ways, you know, just make sure that you're getting that water, staying hydrated, especially if you live in a place like Florida.